No clients, no experience, no portfolio. You can still start freelancing today. Every freelancer started at zero. Zero clients, zero reviews, zero proof. The biggest lie is you need experience to get experience. This is not true. The first client does not come from experience, it comes from one brave move. And that's daily truth. Be honest, is zero clients stopping you from even trying freelancing? Comment zero if you have not landed your first client. Here are 3 tips freelancing in 2026 for absolute beginner. First, build one fake project, treat it like a real client job. Second, offer one free or discounted project. Get that first review. Third, use AI tool to build faster and look more experienced. Your first client does not need a portfolio. They need confidence. Show up, pitch, deliver. Mobile app development freelances start with one. Yes. Comment freelance below. 20 comments and the full video drops. Exact steps how to get your first client with zero experience in 2026. Save this right now. Share it with one person waiting to feel ready before they start.